So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can for your mobile phone fix any network or internet or Wi-Fi issue with just one small setting, and that too within 15 seconds. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Now this doesn't need a factory reset or anything complicated that would risk losing your mobile data, so don't worry. You simply need to go to your settings, and inside settings, I'm using Android 10. You head towards general management and here towards reset, and you need to reset your network settings. Don't worry, this would not delete any of your data. Now since this is a dual SIM phone, I have this drop down which lets me do this, that is reset the network settings for each of my SIMs. So I go ahead and click on reset, and you can see that my first SIM network settings has been reset, and I do this for my second SIM as well, and that's practically it. Once I click on reset, my network settings have been reset. Now this trick or technique doesn't actually require your phone to be switched off and then turned on again. So hope this helps. Now quite obviously, the one thing that you need to ensure is that your mobile networks have been selected correctly, because like all those settings already being there, once you still figure out that your net is not working or internet is not there or Wi-Fi is not there, maybe something has got jammed or clogged, and that is when this setting can really help. So let us know in the comment section whether this helped your mobile getting back its Wi-Fi or network or any other thing back. And please do subscribe and share this with your friends. I am Lon. Will catch you in the next one.